Today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry scones. You will need 225 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 50 grams of butter cubed, 1 egg, 75 millilitres of milk and 150 grams of blueberries. Firstly, to your milk add your egg and give it a really good mix until well combined. Then to your flour add your baking powder and your caster sugar and give it a mix until well combined. Then add in your butter, and using the tips of your fingertips you just want to rub the butter into the flour until it slightly resembles breadcrumbs. Then add your blueberries and give it a mix until all the blueberries are coated. Then you want to start adding your liquid ingredients into your dry ingredients a little bit at a time. So you're not going to use all of your liquid ingredients to make this. However, we will use what's left over to brush the top of our scones. So just keep adding a little bit of your liquid ingredients into your dry and then just give it a really good mix. And by the end of it, you should have a very slightly sticky dough. And when you bring your dough together, try and knead your dough as little as possible. The less you knead it, the higher it will rise. Then you want to flour out your work surface. Add a little bit of flour to the top of your dough and roll out until it's about 2 centimetres thick. Then you want to use a scalloped cookie cutter. Mine was about 5 centimetres wide. And you want to cut out your scones and then pop them onto a pre-lined baking tray with baking paper. Make sure to leave some space in between each scone because they will expand. And then you want to brush the leftover egg and milk mixture to the top of each of the scones before you put them in the oven. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 7, 220 degrees centigrade or 200 fan assisted for 12 to 15 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make blueberry scones.